Hello everyone and welcome back to Daily Fix Guide. In today's video, we'll show you what to do if you're unable to see the draw feature in your Instagram application. So all you have to do is open Instagram and go to one of your chats and open your chat, then simply click on the plus icon at the bottom right-hand side section of your phone, and you should see a new option called Draw. Click on that. And then you can use any color over here and do a quick doodle right over here. And then all you have to do is just simply send this and it'll go directly like this, as you can see right over here. Now, if you are unable to get this feature right now, what you'll do is you have to join the early access. So go back to main menu, then go to your profile at the bottom, then click on the three lines at the top. Right now, scroll down till you find your app and media option. And over there, you should be able to see your option called Early Access to Features. Enable that option, and then you should be able to get the update much faster. Now, the next thing that you can try is make sure that the application is up to date. So open your App Store or Play Store to check if your app is currently running the latest version or not. And if it has a pending update, make sure to update that and then try to check if the option is available or not. Now you know exactly how to use the draw feature. So that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. So thank you for watching, and take care.